Hey and welcome to our tour of Kvosin Downtown Hotel in Reykjavik, Iceland. Now, downtown could give the impression that it's far away from the main kind of activities, but that couldn't be further from the truth. It's really close to all of the main parts of Reykjavik city centre. If you've rented a car, there is parking available. The reception area is warm and inviting, and if you need any assistance, there is someone available 24 hours a day.
Close your eyes.
Now, unlike many hotels, there are no minibars available in any of the rooms, but they do have this big minibar here, and here are some of the prices so you can get a feel for how much everything costs. Leading to the rooms, there are stairs as well as a lift. Each of the rooms are named after a famous Icelandic celebrity. We stayed in Karius and Baktus, room 301. Right, let's get into this. So here we've got the bed in front of us, of course. It was a really comfy bed, and it was nice to see that there were nice bedside lamps as well as power ports as well, so you can charge your phone overnight. I'm really fussy with pillows. These were both soft and firm at the same time. They were just right, so every night I got a really good night's sleep. And at the end of the bed, they've got this really nice stool, so it's perfect for unpacking as well as, of course, putting your boots on before you go outside. And here we have the dining area, which is very useful because, as you can see, there is also a small kitchenette, complete with a coffee maker, which was really nice. They've just got these handy little pods that you just pop in, click it down, press a button, and within a few seconds you've got a really nice warm coffee. Food and drink in Iceland is notoriously expensive, so being able to eat in rather than eat out every night is really handy. So this kitchen definitely came in useful. The drawers were loaded with most of the things you normally need, such as cutlery, scissors, bottle openers, cups for your coffee, glasses for water. By the way, never buy bottled Icelandic water. It's not needed. Literally the water from the tap is perfect, so don't waste your money on that. And then just around the corner you'll find the safe. Now, it wasn't a huge safe, you can't fit a laptop into it, but for your passport, wallets, that kind of thing, it's perfect. And then next we have this little Snug, so if you want to cozy up and watch some TV one night, this is perfect. And of course, this serves as great storage for your cases as well as all your clothes. And then as we pass the full-length mirror, there's a nice sliding door that goes into the bathroom. Now, of course, there's the toilet, as you'd expect, as well as a sink, mirror, and also provided is hand soap as well as shower gel and shampoo, which is ideal. They both smelt amazing. This bathroom is so lovely. It was all so clean. It had a really luxe feel to it. Honestly, we would take it home if we could. These tiles, just look at them, they're gorgeous. Also included with this room was access to a shared balcony. Now, bear in mind, not all rooms have access to a shared balcony, but this one did, and we loved it, especially, as you can see, because it had snowed. We love the snow. There is also a large screen TV. Annoyingly, it doesn't swivel towards the bed, so you do have to sit on the sofa to watch it, or on the dining chairs. We really loved the aesthetic of this hotel room. It was so nice. Honestly, we felt so at home the whole time, and quite honestly, we could have lived there. As we head back down the stairs, back down to the reception area, if you go to the left, there is actually a bar area. In the mornings, this is used as the breakfast area. Now, it is worth noting, unless it's mentioned in your quote, breakfast is not included, but if you haven't pre-ordered it, you can always pay for it on the day. It's a continental breakfast, as well as some cold cut meats and also some eggs, bacon and small sausages, that kind of thing. And most nights the bar is open for cocktails, wine and beers. Well, that's everything. We hope you've really enjoyed this video. If you're planning a trip to Iceland, why not check out what we got up to on our most recent adventure. You can see all of the amazing excursions we went to, as well as all of the food and drink. Check it all out on our channel now.